management, right? Let me bring that. Got it. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Acha. So, what is the basic difference between production management and operation management? What is the basic difference between production management and operation management? Production management basically production. Production management basically the functionaries of management that can be applied in the production function, that is called production management, right? Functionaries of all the management principles that are used in production function, that is called production management, particularly in the manufacturing sector. When it is used in the service sector, that is called operation management. Before we have to study TQM, first we have to know what is quality. How can I define quality? Quality mane kaun? Hello? What do you mean by quality? Hello? Ambika kaun?
Customer need fulfill kar.
Quality. That means actually we cannot define quality. Why? Quality may be the performance of the product. Quality may be the conformance of the product. Quality may be the zero defect. Quality may be the long durability. Unless until we fix a parameter, on the basis of parameter we define quality, right? I'm semti koi paribani. You should fix a parameter. On the basis of that parameter, then we should define quality, right? So that quality basically refers to a parameter which decides the inferiority or superiority of a product or a service. That is called quality. It is a measure of goodness to understand how a product meets its specification. That is, when the expression of quality is used, we think in terms of excellent product or service that meets or even exceeds our expectation, that is called quality. Then we should fix a parameter. On the basis of that parameter, then we define quality, right? I'm saying quality ta ye kari paribani. Then, what is the basic objective of a production operation management? Abar padithibe. What the basic objective of a production operation management? Kwantu? Right quantity, right quality, right time, and predetermined manufacturing cost. This is the basic objectives of the production and operation management, right? Suppose an entrepreneur मेरे पैसा अच्छी मैं सी कौन सा संगे संगे प्लान तैयारी कर दो. हेलो
No, sir.
No. आतले कौन करियो से?
Proper planning करियो से.
Proper planning करियो. First market study करियो. Market research करियो. Suppose particular what example दोची. Suppose an entrepreneur decide to establish a plant, that is soap plant. साबुन कारखाना से करियो. So देखियो first entrepreneur see how many brands are there, or what is the consumption, monthly consumption. Suppose the monthly consumption is 5 lakhs. Suppose there are 10 brands are there. There are 10 brands available in the market. So 5 lakhs divided by 10. Then this is your right quantity. See the theory the plant on the basis of that quantity. See the average quantity. On the basis of the average quantity, se kaun kariyo tara tiyari kariyo. Right? On the basis of that, he purchase machine, land, सब जिनिस गुड़ा से करिव right quantity. Then right quality. Second objective is right quality. Quality टाको से देखो माने कौन quality टाको से measurement करें. Then right time. Right time means suppose for example say गोटे skin over गोटे साबुन तैयारी करछि. Before winter coming, winter केबे आसे? Winter पाखापाखि October कि November. Before October November से कौन करिवो से ता फिनिश करिवो ता प्रोडक्ट राइट प्रोडक्ट को से तैयार करिवो देन से मार्केट को छाड़िवो जदि टे लेट रे गेला ताले कॉम्पिटिटर ब्रांड सर अवेलेबल कॉम्पिटिटर ब्रांड आसी जाइथिबे तेनु ता प्रोडक्ट को टिके नवा गुटे कष्ट हबो सो राइट क्वालिटी सॉरी राइट क्वांटिटी राइट क्वालिटी राइट टाइम एंड प्री डिटरमिन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपोर्टेंट सपोज आपण पेप्सी पिउछन 10 रुपीस रो पेप्सी व्हाट इज द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट हेलो
10 rupees, sir.
10 rupees.
ना ना से 10 टंका आपण माने 10 टंका नउछि से छोटा छोटाटा
Maybe 5 rupees, sir.
ओनली 87 पैसा थला वर्तमान हेई टंका ठाई मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट होछि ₹1 ओनली आपनकर से टैक्स सेल टैक्स जीएसटी एडवर्टाइजमेंट कॉस्ट ए सब जगह मिसी मासी के सब जगह होछि वर्तमान 10 टंका एक्चुअली मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट होछि टंका आपण डोव साबुन यूज करछंती 24 रुपीस देगिरी डोव साबुन तार मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट ₹4 40 टका खर्च होता टैक्स टैक्स मिसी के तार हे जाउ हैला अच्छा तो प्री डिटरमिन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट सब देखिए एंटरप्रेन्योर मिनिमाइजेस हिज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट जदि आपनकर एमआरपी जदि बढ़ी गला हमर कॉम्पिटिटर ब्रांड के एमआरपी कम होछि त आपनकर बढ़ी गला तण आपनकर प्रोडक्ट लोक नेबे निसे प्रोडक्ट नेबे तण बेसिक देयर आर 4 basic objective of the production and operation management right quantity right quality right time and predetermined manufacturing cost on the basis of that the quality depends upon perception of a person on a given situation right time right cost right place right thing on the basis of that quality depends upon the perception of the person in a given particular situation. So that a quality product must meet some requirements. Some requirements.
Sir, you are not audible.
ଏବେ ଶୁଭିଲା ତ ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
Subila, sir.
କହୁଛି so that quality raw material should be used. Number 1, quality raw material should be used. Quality parts should be made or quality parts should be used. Process assembly should be good quality, that is both process and the product should give high reliability or should conform the standards, then quality service. This is basic operation of the system. The quality product must meet the requirements. Then question is, why need for the quality? The need for the quality to achieve and to survive in the present competitive world, to increase brand name of industry so as to get new orders from the customers, to achieve customer satisfaction, to improve the profit turnover, to increase the performance of the product, reliability or durability, or to retain the customers, to increase the recognition, to earn profit instead of the making profit. ଆମେ ପ୍ରଫିଟ କରିବା ବୋଲିକିରି ଆମେ ଠକିଟାକି ଦବା, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ କନସେପ୍ଟ ଟାକୁ ଆମେ ୟୁଜ କରିବାନି। ପ୍ରଫିଟ କରିବା କିନ୍ତୁ an ethical practice. In ethical practice, then should used. Then come to what is the definition of quality? Quality may be the component is said to be possess a good quality if it works well in the equipment for which it meant. According to Crossboy, ଆମର ଅଛନ୍ତି क्वालिटी गुरु। फास्ट क्वालिटी गुरु ले जुरान डिफाइन कर ले द component is said to possess good quality if it works well in the equipment for which it meant. According to Crossboy, this is the second concept, quality guru. The quality is the ability of the part or material, the component to perform satisfactorily are intended by the end user. According to Demin is the another quality guru. Demin कहले the quality is predictable degree of uniformity and dependability at low cost and suited for the market. এটা টিকে ভালো কি দেখন্তু। Quality is a predictable degree. Quality is the predictable degree of uniformity and dependability at low cost and suited to the market. According to ISO, ISO full form कहले
Indian Standardization of Organization.
नहीं सेटा सेमती नुआ इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन हला आईएसओ फुल फॉर्म होची इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन दैट इज कॉल्ड आईएसओ। आईएसओ 9000 आईएसओ 14000 देखु छी आईएसओ सर्टिफाइड आगे देखे बहुत जगह आगे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेंस लिखा होतला आईएसओ 9000 बतन सर्विस सेक्टर को आसिलानी आईएसओ 9000 14000 then how according to ISO, quality is totality of characteristics of an entity that bear on its ability to satisfy stated and implied needs. बहुत भला concept is पहला तो जी quality of totality of characteristics of an entity that bear on its ability to satisfy the stated and implied needs. See, according to ISO organization. And according to Tagoji is also another quality guru. So quality is the minimum loss imparted by a product to society from the time of the product is shipped. According to the Tagoji, the quality is the minimum loss imparted by a product to society from the time the product is shipped. से सेठी गोटे लॉस फंक्शन बाहर करछंती मुझे पढेबे आगु को आधरे आपनका दुईटा प्रॉब्लम अछि आ सब थ्योरी दुईटा प्रॉब्लम अछि अच्छा
सर
हेलो कौन
पीपीटी किछि अछि सर टिके देखंतु सर सर पीपीटी
कहले?
जदी किछि अछि कि नोट किछि अछि
नहीं
सर टिके देखले
नहीं
सर
मु नोट
सर
नोट
पीपीटी
पठे देबी नोट नोट पठे देबी जस्ट क्लास सारी गोटे नोट आपन छाड़ी मैं छाड़ देबी 10 दिन रे
सर
आज जोटा
सर
पढ़ेली मु संगे संगे आपन मते गोटे का जनकर मते मान व्हाट्सएप नंबर देबे जो नंबर देले मु तांकरे पठे देले आपन ताको कौन करिवे कर देबे एटा हबो तो
ए सर
सर ऑफिशियल ग्रुप में छाड़ देना
ऑलरेडी ମୋ ନମ୍ବର ଆଉ ମେଲ୍ ଆଇଡି
हाल हाल मुझे मेल आईडी दे दे देबी आप
ऑलरेडी दे दी सर पर्सनल
हां हां नॉल मैं मैडम को ये को छाड़ देबी रसी मैडम ये को पठे देले आपन दे देबे
एक्चुअली प्रोब्लेम हो मैडम जो मैंने ସେଇଟା ମାନେ ବହୁତ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଆସୁଛି ବେଳେ ଆସୁନି ଆମେ ସେମିଷ୍ଟର ସରି ଯାଉଛି ତ ଆପଣ କାହିଁକି ଆପଣ
ହାଲୋ ହାଲୋ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଦୁଇଟା ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କରିବି 2 ଦିନରେ ସେଟା को ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଖାତାରେ କରିକି ମାନୁଆଲି କରିକି ମୁଁ ସେଟା ପଠେଇ ଦେଇ ମାନେ ସେଇ ଦିଟା क्वेश्चन ହିଁ ତାଦେର ପକେଇବି ସେଇ ଦିଟା ସେଟା ଭଲ କି ଦେଖି ଦେବେ ଆଉ ସବୁ ଥିଓରି କଣ କହିଲେ
ଠିକ ଅଛି ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପର୍ସନାଲ ପଠେଇବି କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ
ମତେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ପଠେଇ ଦେବି ନହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଦେନ୍ ହାଉ ଟୁ डिफाइन क्वालिटी in a quantitative form so quality is equal to quality is defined sorry quality is denoted as q is equal to p by e capital P by E what is p the performance e the expectation q is equal to q is denoted as quality quality is equal to performance by expectation it is p by e so that if q is greater than 1 if q is greater than 1 then the customer has a good feeling about the product or services if q is greater than 1 then customer has a good feeling about the product or services so p is equal sorry q is equal to p by e in mathematical term acha then what are the dimension of quality what are the dimension of quality first dimension of performance so कहउतले जो first you should fix a parameter on the basis of that parameter then you can define quality what are the performance first sorry what are the dimensions first dimension is your performance what is performance primary operating characteristics of a product such as signal coverage audio quality display suppose ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ମୋବାଇଲ ରେ ଦେଖିବା ଆମର ଡିସପ୍ଲେ ଭଲ होतिबो audio quality ଭଲ ଆସୁଥିବ so this is called the performance then come to feature secondary characteristics added feature that is suppose calculators alarm clock feature these are the features then conformance what is conformance conformance means not performance conformance 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 means meeting specification or industry standards workmanship the degree to which a product's design or operating characteristics match pre-established standards meeting the specification ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସ୍ପେସିଫିକେସନ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ସପୋଜ ଗୋଟେ ବୋଲ୍ଟ ର 0.05 mm ସେଟା ଆପଣ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକେସନ ସେଟା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସ୍ପେସିଫିକେସନ ଟା କନଫର୍ମେସନ ହଉଛି କି ନାହିଁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟେଷ୍ଟ that is called confirmation and the reliability the probability of a product fails within a specified period of time probability of a product fails within a specified period of time କେତେ ଥର ସେ ମାନେ କଣ ଫେଲ ହଉଛି then durability it is a measure of a product's life having both economic and technical dimension it is a measure of product's life hello durability means it is a measure of product's life having both economic and technical dimension. Duration of the product. What do you mean by quality? Quality may be conformance of the product. Quality may be performance of the product. Quality may be the zero defect. Quality may be the long durability. I'm generally psychologically coach. Psychological আমি কହୁଛୁ যার durability ଅଧିକା ଅଛି ସେ quality ଭଲ ମାନେ ସେ product ଟା ଭଲ quality ଟା ଭଲ ଆଚ୍ଛା then service resolution of problems and complaints cases of repair service and response the reputation so these are the dimension of quality then come to quality of design what is the quality of design the quality of design of a product is concerned with tightness of the specification for manufacture of the product. Quality of design of a product is concerned with the tightness of the specification for manufacture of the product. Suppose for example, suppose gote tolerance limit achi 0.0 millimeter. This is the আমি କହୁଛୁ ଯେ ଏତିକି ହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଡାଇମିଟରର ବୋଲ୍ଟଟା ଭଲ ହବ ତ ତା ଡିଜାଇନଟା ସେଇଭଳିଆ ମ୍ୟାଟରରେ ହେଇଥିବ but the specification the quality of design another with a tolerance of 0.0.11 suppose 0.5 sorry 0.005 କୋଉଠି ବଢି ଯାଇଥିବ କୋଉଠି କମି ଯାଇଥିବ ଦେଖିବ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ବୋଲ୍ଟ ଚେପ୍ଟା ହେଇଯାଇଥିବ ତେଣୁକରି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଗୋଟେ ଟର୍ମ ଆମର ୟୁଜ ହଉଛି ପଢେଇଥିବେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ ଅପରେସନ ପଢା ହେଇଥିବ FMS flexible manufacturing system ସେ ଟର୍ମଟା ସହିତ ଆପଣ ଆକ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟେଡ ହେଇଥିବେ FMS flexible manufacturing system ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି 20 years back 30 years back ଆଗେ ସବୁ ମେସିନ ଆଗେ ଯୋଉ ମେସିନ ଥିଲା ୟୁନି ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ମେସିନ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ତିଆରି ହଉଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ଆସିଗଲାଣି ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଣ ଗୋଟେ ମେସିନ କିନ୍ତୁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ତିଆରି ହେଇପାରୁଛି that is called FMS flexible manufacturing system और आजिकल ଆସିଲାଣି modular design आजिकल देखନ୍ତୁ पर्टिकुलर एग्जांपल कहूଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର 30 years back को जाନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ଘରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଘରେ ଥିବ ଯୋଉ କଳା କଳା ପୁରା ସୁଇଚ ମାନେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ ସୁଇଚ ଏପଟରେ ମାରଲେ ଆପଣ ତିନିଟା ରୁମ କୁ ସୁବିଧା ଟକ୍ କରି ସୁବିଧା କିନ୍ତୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖିଲେ ଯୋଉ ସୁଇଚ ଗୁଡା ଶବ୍ଦ ନାହିଁ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ନାହିଁ it's a modular design modular design କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତେଣୁକରି the tightness of the product that is called quality of design then question arises what are the factors affecting quality of design first factor type of customer in the market second factor profit consideration ଆପଣ ସବୁବେଳେ ଯଦି profit consideration କୁ ରଖିବେ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ଏତେ ଭଲ ହବନି ସବୁବେଳେ କହିବେ ମୁଁ profit oriented ହେବି ଠିକ ଅଛି profit oriented ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟଟା ଭଲ ହବା ଦରକାର third is environmental condition environmental condition plays an important role for achieving the quality of design suppose for example a car radiator designed for use in equilateral region should be increased for ambient temperature ठीक ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଡିଜାଇନ ସେ ଭଲ କଲା କି ଯୋଉ କମ୍ପାନୀ ହଉ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏନଭାୟରନମେଣ୍ଟ ସହିତ ମାନେ କଣ ଖାପ ଖାଇ ଚଳିବା ଦରକାର so this is called quality of design another concept is used that is called quality of conformance what is called what is the quality of conformance the quality of conformance is concerned with how well the manufactured product conforms to the quality of design. When a design has been established, it is the task of all responsible for production planning and manufacturing to obtain high level of quality of conformity. So what are the factors affecting the quality of conformance? For good quality of conformance with the design, any organization should ensure what are the incoming of raw material should be adequate quality, proper selection of the process and adequate process control. Or the operator should be well trained, experienced, and motivated for the quality consciousness. Proper care should be taken in shipment and storage of finished goods. Inspection program is such that is given accurate measure effectiveness of the whole of the system. So these are the factors controlling the quality of conformance. Another term is used that is called quality of performance. What is the quality of performance? The quality of performance is concerned with how well the manufactured product given its performance. Actually, it depends upon two factors. One factor is quality of design and quality of conformance. So both mixture re ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆସୁଛି quality of performance. So ତିନିଟା term ଏଠି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ୟୁଜ ହେଲା. ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା quality of design, ଗୋଟେ quality of conformance, ଗୋଟେ quality of performance. Another concept is used that is called quality control. What is quality control? Control has varied meaning. Quality control has varied meaning. Quality control is the process through which we measure actual quality performance, compare it with standards, and take corrective action if there is a deviation. If there is deviation, then we will correct it. Another term is used that is SQC, statistical quality control. Statistical quality control. Because the statistical measure or statistical techniques are used in the quality control, statistical quality control. So in quality control, another term is used that is called control chart. Control chart is a graphical representation. Graphical representation at a graph. There are three lines are there. The middle line is called central line. The upper line ta ko upper central line. A tala line ta ko lower central line. LCL. LCL, CL, UCL. Central line, upper central line, lower central line. So it is called statistical SQC. Or statistical process control, SPC. SQC and SPC, same term. Statistical process control. In statistical process control or statistical quality control, in statistical quality control, that a technique is used that is called control chart. Because a particular product or particular service or particular process, actually in particular process, whether the process is correct or not, you should identify what is the defective. Then you should use that is called control chart. If sample points lies within the lower value and upper value, within the central limit, within the UCL value and LCL value, if all the sample values lies upper central value and lower central value, so the process is under statistically control. Process is under statistically control. Suppose, for example, in an industry, suppose there are 3 shifts are there. 3 shifts. 3 laga shift kaam Monday to up to Sunday. No, Sunday holiday nahi. Sunday bhi ketara shift kaam korche. Monday to Sunday. Each shift gote shift 3 ta shift kaam hoche. Suppose in Monday 500 units are produced in first shift, second shift 700 units are produced, third shift 400 are produced. Similarly, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday up to Sunday. Concept of choto concept. then our actually ଆମେ ସେଠି identify କରିବା whether the process is under statistical control or not. We should identify the defectives. କୋଉ ଦିନ ଆମର defective items ଗୁଡା ହେଇଛି. Then we take some sample. ସବୁ shift ରୁ ଆମେ sample ନେଲେ 5ଟା first ଦିନ ନେଲେ 15 15 15 15 15 15 15 ନେଲେ. Then you should find out the sample mean. Then find out sample mean of the mean. Mean ଟା double for mean naba. If sample value lies within the UCL value and LCL value, ମୁଁ ଆର ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି କରିବି. ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କାଲି କରିକି କାଲି ବୁଝେଇକି ଦେଇଦେବି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମଟା ହେଲା. If sample value lies within UCL value and LCL value, so that process is under statistically control. এটা ହେଲା এই ଜିନିଷ. ତାହେଲେ here one question arises, how should find out UCL value, LCL value and CL value? So mean of the mean is known as your central value or central limit. Then, so there are so many charts are there. Mean chart, range chart, P chart, C chart, NP chart. There are so many charts are there. But in your syllabus, your P chart, mean chart, range chart, P chart. तीन प्रकार चार्ट आपनकर अछि. तीनटा चार्ट रो जखन गोटे चार्ट दुईटा चार्ट पडिबो कोटी गोटे एग्जांपल आपनकर सेकंड बिट क्वेश्चन जोटा कोन सेक्शन बी रे आपनकर आसीबो क्वेश्चन टा आसीबो. अच्छा, on the basis of a mean chart, range chart, P chart, formula गुडा अछि. देखुजी the mean of the mean, that is the central line, central limit. Then find out on the basis of that, then you should find out UCL value and LCL value. On the basis of that, sample mean lies within UCL value and LCL value, so that process is under statistically control. Achha. Then question is, what is the basic objective of the quality control? Quality control division. What is the basic objective? To improve the company's income, to reduce company's cost through reduction of the losses due to defects, to produce optimum quality at minimum price, optimum quality and minimum price, then to ensure satisfaction of the customers with the product or services of a high quality level, to build customers' goodwill or confidence and reputation of the manufacturer, to improve quality and productivity by process control and experimentation and customer feedback. On the base, this is regarding your quality. Then concept is another concept is that is called cost of quality. What do you mean by cost of quality? Then what are the cost of quality? कहले गोटे कौन भाभी करे कहले cost of quality कौन? Hello, cost of quality. Hello, किए जाने कौन तू? So the cost of quality.
Yeah, so it might be the extra cost for branding or for having something of some product of better quality, something like that.
Yeah. Take it.
Sir, the cost that is spent to get the best quality products, to enhance the quality of the product, that is quality cost.
So that generally cost of quality to determine extent to which the resources are used for the activities of prevention of poor quality or quality of the product. जो cost गुला ता सहित लागुचे, that is called cost of quality. Then there are 4 types of cost of quality. 4 types. First one is appraisal cost. Second one is prevention cost. Third one is internal failure cost. Fourth one is external failure cost. Appraisal cost, prevention cost, internal failure cost, external cost. Appraisal cost कौन करছে? It measurement and inspection activities during operation to determine conformance to quality requirements. अपन ऑफिशियल कॉस्ट गुला सब जो कागज पत्र ये से सब आसीबा अपन का appraisal cost. In appraisal cost, basically, the cost associated with monitoring activities related to quality. These costs are associated with the suppliers and customers' evaluation to purchase materials, process, product, services to ensure conform to the specification. It includes verification, checking of incoming materials, process setup, product against agreed specification, quality audit, suppliers rating. A cost to appraisal cost. It got out of some coach. Vendor selection. About the vendor selection question. The product, the vendor option. Vendor, you should choose the proper vendor. जने कहबो जे मु चीप रे देबी आ चीप रे देला तो माने चीप अति चीप हेले पुनी असुविधा तेणु आगे तार देखिबे पर्टिकुलर भेंडर तार हिस्ट्री देखिबे यदि ठीक ठाक अछि ताले ताको आपण ताको सिलेक्ट करिवे भेंडर सिलेक्शन इज मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट भेंडर आपण क्वालिटी में कंप्रोमाइज करिवे प्राइस कंप्रोमाइज करिवे डिलीवरी टाइम पर माने कंप्रोमाइज करिया पड़िबो माने से कहथबो मो गोटे वीक रे देबी या 2 वीक हे गेला अपन बारे माल नथिबो तेणु प्रॉपर वेंडर शुड बी चोज अच्छा तापर अथरा इंटरनल फेल्युअर कॉस्ट associated with defects found before the customer received the product or services. Internal costs are costs associated with defects found before the customer received the product or service. This is the internal failure cost. Another is external failure cost. External failure cost. External failure costs are costs associated with defects found after the customer received the product or services. तापर गथला आपनकर गोटा प्रिवेंशन कॉस्ट मैं कहू तो प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन 10 मिनट प्रिवेंशन कॉस्ट हम जानते प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर so prevention costs are incurred to prevent or avoid quality problems. These costs are associated with design, implementation, maintaining the quality management system, so that it should be planned. They're planned and incurred before actual operation, and they could include product or service requirements, establishment of a specification for incoming materials, process, finished products, and services. Quality planning, creation of plans for quality, reliability, operations, production, and inspection. Another is quality assurance, creation and maintenance of the quality system. Another training, development, preparation and maintenance of progress. एगुड़ा हला आपनकर prevention cost. Then question is another question arises. What is the cost of poor quality? COPU. What is the cost of poor quality? Poor quality, cost of poor quality is the cost associated with providing poor quality product or services. Poor quality of services. These are categorized into same thing. Tinta. Appraisal cost, internal failure cost, and external failure cost. So that quality related activity that incur cost may be divided into prevention cost or appraisal cost or internal cost and failure cost. Kintu cost of poor quality ame tinta katha ko ame expect karuchu. Then another concept is quality characteristics. What are the quality characteristics? कहले गोटे गोटे कौन कौन है परियो? Quality characteristics. Quality characteristics may be कौन? Instrumental action है परियो, inspection, specification, design, durability, our process engineering,
economical.
Economical. अभी हमें भी use करते हैं BPR, business process re-engineering. Business process re-engineering अपन use करते हैं. So these are the quality characteristics. Then another concept is quality planning. What is quality planning? Quality plan set out desired product qualities and how these are assessed and define the meet the significant quality attributes. What are the quality attributes? कौन करी परिया in the quality planning रे? Design customer empowerment, empower employees, high revenue and low cost. Process quality planning, quality control, quality improvement, infrastructure, quality system, customer supplier partnership, total organization involvement, management and information, education and training, strategic quality planning, strategic quality planning. Strategy माने अपन long term basis. अपन जब quality को development करूँ चलते मुझे भी आगु को TQM को. अपन quality develop हो ची. So who are the responsible? What a quality development पे क्या responsible? Hello.
Sir, quality manager.
Quality manager. Any more? आगे कहे?
ସମସ୍ତେ ହେବେ ସାର୍ ଯେମିତି raw
हाँ.
material जे ଦଉଥିବ ସିଏ ବି
All
ହେଇପାରେ
are
Production
responsible.
department.
All are responsible from top level to bottom level. ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ଅଛି. ସେପଟେ ଇନକମିଂ ମାଟେରିଆଲ ଯଦି ଖରାପ ଆସିଗଲା ଖରାପ ହେଇଗଲା ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟଟା ଆମେ ଆଙ୍ଗୁଠି ଉଠେଇବା କି ମାନେ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ମ୍ୟାନେଜର କିନ୍ତୁ ଅଲ୍ ଆର୍ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବଲ. ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣ TQM କନସେପ୍ଟ ଆସିଲା. ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ISO କନସେପ୍ଟ କାହିଁକି ଆସିଲା? ISO
ଗୋଟେ
କନସେପ୍ଟ କାହିଁକି
ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ
To set a benchmark for all quality assessment.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ISO ହେଡକ୍ୱାର୍ଟର ହଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଜେନେଭା. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ISO ର ହେଡକ୍ୱାର୍ଟର ହେଲା ଜେନେଭା. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଆମର ଯେମିତି ISO 9001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14001, 2, 3, 4, 5 ଯେମିତି ତାର ସିରିଜ ଅଛି. ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ISP କହୁଛୁ ମାନେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ. ସେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ ଆମେ ତାକୁ କହିପାରୁଛୁ. ତେଣୁକରି ଆଉ ଛୋଟ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଦଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ. हिंदुस्तान लिवर देखिए बहुत प्रोडक्ट ऊपर लिखा है मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय एक्स कंपनी एंड मार्केटेड बाय हिंदुस्तान लिवर. मार्क करजंती? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍
मार्क करिवे. हिंदुस्तान लिवर रा पाखा पाखी 22-23
ସ୍ପେସିଫିକାଲି ତ ସେଇ ସାଇଡ୍ କରେନି, ଅଲଗା ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ଗୁଡାକରେ କରିବ, ମାନେ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ ମାନେ ଜଣେ କରିବ, ତିଆରି ଜଣେ କରିବ, ତା ପାଇଁ ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ଅଲଗା କରିବ।
କାହିଁ କରେନା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ବହୁତ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ କମ୍ପାନୀ ସବୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ସ୍ମଲ୍ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଦେୟାର, କିନ୍ତୁ ଦେ ହାଭ୍ नो ସଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ ମନି ଫର୍ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ପଇସା ନାହିଁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ସେ ତିଆରି କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ସେ ତାପରେ ଏମଆଇ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କାହା ସହିତ, ହିନ୍ଦୁସ୍ତାନ ଲିଭର। ଆଉ ହିନ୍ଦୁସ୍ତାନ ଲିଭର କଣ ଯାହା ନାହିଁ ତା ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ସେ ନବ କି? ସିଏ ବି ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକେସନ କରିଛି ନା, ତାର ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ ଅଛି। ସେ ବାଧ୍ୟ ହେଇକିରି ତାଙ୍କ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ନେଇକି ସେ ତା ମାର୍କେଟିଂ କରୁଛି। ତାର ଗୁଡୱିଲ୍ ସେ ଆଗେ ଦେଖୁଛି, ତାର ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ଭଲ ଦେଖିକି ତାପରେ ସେ ତା ସହିତ ଏମଆଇ କରୁଛି। ନହେଲେ ସେମିତି ମାନେ ହିନ୍ଦୁସ୍ତାନ ଲିଭର ସିଏ ତାର ଅଲଗା ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ସେ ନବନି। ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଭଲ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ କମ୍ପାନୀ, ବଟ୍ ମାର୍କେଟ ଆପଣ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ କଷ୍ଟ ହେଇକିନା ବହୁତ ପଇସା ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି। ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଟଙ୍କା ଟିକେ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହଉଛି ପେପ୍ସିରେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ନଉଛନ୍ତି ଆମର 10 ଟଙ୍କା। ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ତା ଭିତରେ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜିଂ କଷ୍ଟ ରହିଲା, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେଲ୍ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ରହିଲା, ଜିଏସଟି ରହିଲା, ଯାହା ଯେତେ ଅଛି ସବୁ। ତେଣୁକରି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଏତେ ପଇସା ନାହିଁ। ସେ ବାଧ୍ୟ ହେଇ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଏମଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ହିନ୍ଦୁସ୍ତାନ ଲିଭର ସହିତ ହେଲା। ଆଚ୍ଛା, ये ହେଲା जनरल कॉन्सेप्ट। देन तापरକୁ ଆସିଲା ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟିଆ କନସେପ୍ଟ, that is called TQM। TQM ଆସିଲା। ଆଚ୍ଛା, TQM there are three words: total quality management। there are three words। total we mean, total ମାନେ କଣ ଆମର ଏଠି? total we mean all areas and functions of any organization, or all activities, all employees, all time. This is called total. This is called total. Total includes all areas and functions, all activities. तापर आसला आपनकर all employees, and जो हम कहले all employees are responsible for quality of the product, development of the quality product. This is called total. Then quality we mean product or services that totally satisfy the customer's need and explains in every respect on a continuous basis. अपन देखो बट क्वालिटी का डेवलपमेंट करिया हम कोन स्टॉप कर दवा की? सो क्वालिटी डेवलपमेंट इज ए कंटीन्यूअस प्रोसेस। तो आपन गोटे वर्ड सेटी आपन गोटे टर्मिनल जो यूज हो जापानीज जे काइजेन, आपन जो एचआर थे एचआर पढिथबे, नल भी पढिथबे कोटी एटी सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट रे पढिथबे। काइजेन, काई प्लस जेन, काइजेन। काई मीन्स कंटीन्यूअस, जेन मीन्स इंप्रूवमेंट। कंटीन्यूअस इंप्रूवमेंट गोटे प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट पे कंटीन्यूअस इंप्रूवमेंट दरकार। से जेमते अपन रिसर्च पढिथबे। अच्छा, रिसर्च के पढौतले? तो मु पढौतली बोधे रिसर्च बोधे मु पढौतली बोधे, मजा मन पडुची। अच्छा, रिसर्च कौन केबे आपनकर स्टॉप हो कि एंड हे परियो? अब केबे
ନା
रिसर्च कैन नॉट बी एंडेड। रिसर्च चलची, तेणु करी अपन कंटीन्यूअस डेवलपमेंट, एनी प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट कंटीन्यूअस इंप्रूवमेंट होती। तो जापानीज टेक्नोलॉजी आसी गला अपन कोन काइजेन, काइजेन आसी गला। तापर अपन आसुची अपन 5R कैंपेन, और सॉरी 5S कैंपेन। अच्छा, देखिए बहुत जगह पे लिखा है सेरी सीटन जीविता को। देन अनदर कांसेप्ट इज मैनेजमेंट। So quality does not happen on its own. It requires planning and management. So quality is a management function. Everybody in an organization is responsible for that purpose for it. It therefore is a systematic approach. So TQM is a people intensive activity. So therefore TQM is a people oriented activity. It is समस्त it is दरकार. So the leadership to demonstrate initiative for quality, system to create more quality leaders. हाँ, it is another concept बता सकते। अपन पढ़ते quality circle पढ़चंती? हेलो क्वालिटी सर्कल पढ़ी कि
No, sir.
अच्छा अच्छा
ନାଇଁ sir।
पूर्व टिके कहि दउछि प्रोडक्टिविटी अच्छा प्रोडक्टिविटी माने कोन कहले मते कांसेप्ट बुझेले व्हाट डू मीन बाय प्रोडक्टिविटी
Sir, capacity of for
सपोज छोटे एग्जांपल कहूँ
production with
X
respect
and
to
Mr.
time.
Y हाँ Mr. X and Mr. Y Mr. X को आम देलु इनपुट 500 ग्राम्स आयरन डस्ट Mr. Y की भी देलु 500 ग्राम्स आयरन डस्ट Mr. X produces 500 needles Mr. Y produces 550 needles ताले प्रोडक्टिविटी कार अधिक हला Mr. Y हेलो
Yes sir।
ताले हियर व्हाट डज इट मीन प्रोडक्टिविटी माने कोन ताले
It is a performance indicator.
माने productivity is the enhancement of the production process देखो सीएसई 500 ग्राम दिया आयरन डस्ट ताको दिया 500 ग्राम से 500 कला ये 550 कला एनहांसमेंट ऑफ द प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस इज नोन एज प्रोडक्टिविटी पढ़ी प्रोडक्टिविटी इनपुट बाय आउटपुट जा हो अच्छा कौन टा कहूली कुआड़ पड़े गली सो द क्वालिटी सर्कल अच्छा in quality circle suppose in an organization 500 workers are there right 500 workers are there so in quality circle 20 to 25% make a group अपन 25 जनिया गोटे ग्रुप करले तर how many groups are there 20 groups then you should select a leader in each group अच्छा जी मैनेजर अच्छे आज मैनेजर मुंडो वाला गोटे suppose how should develop a product कौन कले product development हम each group जो select कले leader each group में भीतर से माने गोटे सजेशन सब रखिले गोटाटा ग्रुप रे दीटा सजेशन गोटे सजेशन एमती पाखापा कि 20 ग्रुप माने 20टा सजेशन थिबो कि मिनिमम 25टा सजेशन थिबो because all the leaders are take participate in the top management the top management meeting hochi all the leaders the 20 leaders they can participate in the top level management suppose गोटे दीटा लीडर सजेशन टा काम कला टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट ताको एक्सेप्ट कला अलग ग्रुप माने कौन करिवे जेलस हेबेनी अलग ग्रुप माने कहबे पुणी आउ थरे जतल मीटिंग हबो आमे भी किछि सजेशन रखी कि आमे भी टॉप मैनेजमेंट को देई परिबा सो दैट तांकर प्रोडक्टिविटी दे कैन इंक्रीज प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ियो तो से कौन कर क्वालिटी सर्कल कॉन्सेप्ट को से रखी क्वालिटी सर्कल कॉन्सेप्ट सो इन टीक्यूएम रे क्वालिटी सर्कल निया दरकार अच्छा देन सो इन टीक्यूएम बेसिकली टीम वर्क पार्टिसिपेशन आ क्वालिटी टूल एंड टेक्निक्स दुईटा कॉन्सेप्ट अछि टीम वर्क ऑल आर रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द क्वालिटी first creating commitment because in TQM generally creating a commitment that means it provides focus and sustained committed effort to achieve the desired outcome another is creating cultural change implementation of values that produce the behavior which will achieve the mission and vision so that the success can be success. Another is effective communication. In effective communication serve as a basic for interchange both for information and the relationship. Another is empowering the workers. This is very, very important. Enables everyone to participate in making the vision a reality. Jeta कहले आपनको क्वालिटी सर्कल रे समेत पार्टिसिपेट करछन another is taking responsibility prepare the workforce to take ownership of the process, the flip side of the empowerment. All are responsible for quality development. ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କୁହାଯାଏ, ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ସର୍କଲଟା ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଯେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଣ responsibility. So all are responsible for development process. Okay? ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଆଜି ପଠେଇବି ମାଟେରିଆଲ କିଛି, ମତେ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ମୋ ଏଇକୁ ପଠାନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ମୋ ନମ୍ବର ତ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ନା ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି? ହ୍ୟାଲୋ,
ସାର୍ ବେଟର ଯଦି ଆପଣ ରଶ୍ମି ମ୍ୟାଡାମଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦେବେ ତାହେଲେ ମେନ୍ ଗ୍ରୁପ
ହଉ ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ରଶ୍ମି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଦେଇଦେବି।
ଆର WhatsApp ଗ୍ରୁପରେ।
ହଁ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ। ହଁ ମୁଁ ରଶ୍ମି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଦେଇଦେବି।